Baka natulog kayo ulit, ha? Here, take me town again. It's my queen, having a good time with all your good time friends. I don't think that you think of me. You're on your own now, and I'm alone and free. I know that I should get on with my life, but a life lived without you could never be right. As long as the stars shine down from the heavens, long as the rivers run to the sea, I'll never get over you getting over me. I'm trying to smile so the hurt won't show. Cause what can thank you? Tell everybody I was glad to see you go, but the tears just won't go away. Loneliness found me, voice looks like it's here to stay. I know that I ought to find someone new, but all I find is myself always thinking of you. As long as the stars shine down from the heavens, long as the rivers run to the sea, I'll never get over you getting over me. No matter what I do, it's not a lifetime to live through. I can't go on like this. I need your touch. Boys, thank you. You're the only one I ever love. And as long as the stars shine down from the heavens, you, long as the rivers run to the sea, I'll never get over you getting over me. I'll never get over you getting over, never get over you. Getting over me. Thank you. Grabe naman yan. Ganda sandong palagi kasi di ko ba ito alam eh. Thank you. You've been slaying another day. What's that, Rain? Thank you, voice. Fuji. Beauty Dudas. Hi. Thank you, guys. Mari. What's up, everybody? Ay, wait lang. Dapat English na lang pala mo. Basta nga lang. Thank you. Hi, Christine. Ipagpatawan mo aking kapangaasang binibini ko. Sana'y maintindihan. Alam kong kailan lang tayo nagkatagpo, ngunit para sa'yo ayaw nang lumayo. Ipagpatawad mo, ako may naguguluhan. Di ka masisi na ako'y pagtakhan, di na dapat ako pagkatiwalaan. Alam kong kailan lang tayo nagkatagpo, ngunit parang sa'yo ayaw nang lumayo. Ipagpatawad mo, minahal kita agad. Sorry na. Minahal kita agad. Minahal kita agad. Ipagpatawad mo. Ay tagal-tagal sana naman ipagpatawad mo ang malabis na kabilisan ko. Ngunit ang lahat ng ito'y totoo. Sorry na, minahal kita agad eh. Bakit ba? Thank you! Sobra na yan. Grabe. Apakagaling mo, madam. Deserve mo talaga masenda ng gift. Sige nga po, pahingi nga ako. Thank you. Carly! Parang I don't like the angle. Am I real? Do the words I speak before you make you feel that the love I lay for you will see no ending? Well, if you look into my eyes, then you should know there's nothing here to doubt, nothing to fear. And you can lay your questions down, 'cause if you hold me, so we can fade into the night, though I could die and everything may lie, still you should cry. 'Cause time may pass, but longer than it lasts, I'll be by your side, forever by your side. Kapitan, Sati, hello. Enzo, thank you. Jay. I'm your human Spotify. Take my hand and gently close your eyes so you could understand that there's no greater love tonight than what I have for you. Well, if you feel the same way for me, then let go. We can journey to a garden is short, my darling, tell me that you love me.
Thank you, Krizay.
Fade into the night and you know the world could die and everything may lie, still you should cry. 'Cause time may pass, but longer than it lasts, I'll be by your side, forever by your side.
Let's be high.
Forever by your side. Forever by your side.
Thank you.
I want you to know the world could die and everything may lie, still you should cry. 'Cause time may pass and everything won't last,